Okay, so going on the loan and going on title for a house, two very different things. A mortgage is an agreement to pay back the loan amount, whereas a title gives you rights of ownership to the property. Okay, so just because somebody's going to own a home, aka go on title, does not mean that they have to go on the loan, and vice versa. Just because somebody's going on the loan doesn't mean they have to go on title. Okay? Being on the loan means that your name is included in the note and that you have your debts and income considered to qualify. So being on the loan or the note also means that any negative credit consequences that come from owning this house, aka a short sale, a late payment, would end up on the loan holder's credit, but not for someone only on title. Okay, so if you're on title but not on the loan, then you're off the hook. You get a pass for those negative credit items with the credit bureaus. Now, being on title means that your name is included in the deed. Okay, the deed is the legal document that says who owns the home, just like the note is the legal document that says who's going on the loan and what the terms are for repayment. But being on title does not mean that your debts and income are considered when qualifying for the loan. Okay, that is if a loan is needed to buy the home. In very rare instances will somebody that's going on title have their income and assets be considered to purchase a home for the loan portion. That's usually for like some first-time buyer programs where they say you can't have X amount of money or X amount of income to use this first-time buyer program. But if you're on title but not on the loan, you wouldn't be fully liable for defaulting on the loan, but since you're on title, the lender can still foreclose on your property and take it from you. Okay, so that would end your investment. Now, a big question I get a lot here. Adding somebody to title or the loan after closing. You can do it very easily where you add somebody to the title, give that person ownership rights after closing. That's, let's say you own a house by yourself and you get married and now you want your new spouse to come on. Adding them on a title is not very expensive. It's very quick. But if you wanted to add somebody onto the loan, it would be a much more tedious process. You would have to refinance completely. You would have to close out the current loan and then get a new loan and be approved with that second person on the loan with you. It's rare that that happens. I mean, you know, as long as you own title, you know, that's what you want. Nobody wants a mortgage. They want to be on title, though. There's even reason to keep one spouse off of the loan when you're getting the mortgage, because let's say one person has less of a credit score than the other. Well, the lender's usually going to use the lowest credit score of the two if both of you are going on the loan. Now, if that one person with the higher credit score could have qualified for the loan without the second borrower's income, then great. You take that person off the loan, keep the highest credit score and the lowest interest rate. So there can be incentive for actually keeping one of you off the loan. So I hope that cleared this up for you, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.